Hey students, and welcome to Mr. Pool's online science learning lesson. Today we're talking about the plant life cycle. Now, in class, we've already began this before spring break. We planted your seeds, and those were lima bean seeds. And I believe Babek had the radish seeds. And remember, Babek's grew really quick and right away, and his kind of spread all out. And then some of your other ones grew later, and they flourished. Now, a few weeks ago, I was able to go back into the school. We were allowed to go in and get some stuff. We could only stay there for like 30 minutes, and then we had to leave right away. But I took a video, a short video of what the plants look like. Now, I was told that nobody was going to be able to water them. And I asked the janitor to see if he could, but unfortunately he couldn't. And so I had to throw them away. But they were doing awesome at the time. So please look for the short video. I'll put a short video clip in there of the plants, and some of them were doing awesome. They were growing up, and they were actually growing up the cords of the window shade. They were growing up there, and they were growing in the shades, the blinds of the window. It's pretty cool. They were doing awesome. So I'm so happy about that. But unfortunately, I couldn't send them home with you, and I couldn't give them to anyone. So, but you are definitely welcome to get some lima beans or some radish seeds and plant some at home. And plant them in a cup, or you could plant them outside. It's getting nice enough outside now that that you can plant them outside. So you can try some on your own. But today I want to talk to you about the plant life cycle. There is three main parts to the plant life cycle. Okay, the first one, and I started drawing some of the pictures already. The first one, as you can see, is right here. This is the first phase, and you probably know what those are. You're right, they're seeds. So the first one, the first part is that every plant starts out as some type of a seed. Okay, and if you plant those seeds, as we planted our lima bean seeds, they will hopefully grow like most of yours did. The next thing it comes to is a small plant. It starts to sprout out of the seeds down here, and I just did one seed and showing you how it will sprout out of there, and that's what it's actually called. It's called a sprout, or you could call it a seedling. Oops. Change that a little bit. A seedling. Okay? So it's called a sprout or a seedling, and that is the second phase that the plant life cycle goes through. It goes from a seed to a seedling. And some people might even call it a small plant, but it's really a sprout or a seedling. From there, the radish plant flourishes up here, and it has lots of many leaves, and it may even have flowers up here. In fact, it will have flowers. And then down below, the radishes start to form down below, okay? And they become full-grown radishes. And obviously, this is the radish plant life cycle. So, and this is the adult. And what I was talking about, the flowers up here, So flowers will appear on adult plant. Okay, so flowers will only appear on the adult plant. Flowers will not appear on the sprout or the seedling. Only the adult plant. And those flowers will also will be what produces the seeds. The seeds will come from those flowers. And so that's the main parts of the plant life cycle. You can also look up the lima bean life cycle, the one we did in class. Those are actually the plants that we planted in class. So look up the lima bean life cycle, and you can look it up on Google. Just Google lima bean life cycle, and it'll come up for you, and you can check it out. Again, it'll have 3 phases: seeds, sprout or seedling, and then the adult radish plant. And remember, flowers only are on the adult radish plant. Okay, and that one is what produces the vegetable too, radishes. All right, hopefully this better explains the plant life cycle and you know a little bit more about it. All right, until my next lesson, bye for now, guys. Have a good day. Have fun learning, and I'll see you later. Bye.